How to use rice water for your hair growth. After teaching you this method, you have to use our Tasha Reviver oil for a better. You have to get a bowl or a plate, whatever you have. Then you have to pour your rice. You can use a cup, a measurement cup, but if you don't have, there's no need, it doesn't really matter. Then put it in your bowl or whatever plastic you want to put it on. The next step, you're going to add a warm water, not too hot, just warm water to the rice in the bowl. This next step is very important because you have to wash your rice properly. You have to clean it properly. Okay, the next step, you're going to drain all the water, all the warm water you use in washing the rice. You're going to drain everything out of the rice. You can choose to wash your rice more than once, but this time I choose to wash it. So after that, the next step is I have already transferred the rice into a container. I'm supposed to use a mixing jar, not a container, but I don't have. But if you're doing yours, look for a mixing jar, okay? Then the next step is for you to take your orange. You have to take your orange. Why am I putting this orange? It's because of the rice water smell. So you might not like the smell, so you have to add the orange or the next step, you're going to be adding the back of the orange peels to the rice water. Why am I doing this? It's going to help you reduce the smell of the rice. The next step, you're going to be adding your essential oil. It is not compulsory if you don't have it, okay? So when you add your essential oil, it's just for the smell of the rice water. That's why I'm adding it. This next step is very easy. You just have to add water to the rice water and the orange peels in the container. The next step is I'm adding water to the rice and the orange peels. Then I will stir it a little bit. After adding my water and everything, I'm going to keep it for a whole week, 1 week before using it. So I'm going to come back and tell you how you're going to use it.